Starting a Warhammer army in 2024 is easier than you think. I'll show you the best tips and tricks to get you a battle ready army in no time. Alright, let's dive into the fascinating world of Warhammer in 2024. 2024 brings 10th edition, which we don't need to know about that right now. But are you ready to embark on an epic journey to the Warhammer universe this year? Welcome fellow enthusiasts, or should I say new people, to the thrilling realm of Warhammer. Starting your own army is an exhilarating experience filled with endless possibilities and excitement. But unlike me, you don't want to buy free combat patrols because you can't decide what army you want to do. So I'm going to set you straight and tell you what you need to get and why you need to get it. Let's explore the diverse factions in Warhammer, each with its own unique characteristics, playstyles and rich lore. Understanding these aspects will help you make an informed decision when choosing an army. My personal favourites would be Orcs, as they're easy to understand. It's just, me want to fight, me will fight. Death Guard for their cool designs, but they are a bit harder to paint, so be aware of that. And Necrons, I don't know why I chose Necrons. I hate building Necrons. But if you want to embark on the journey of building their little flimsy breakable limbs, then you can do that as well. There are many armies. You've probably seen Space Marines, the poster boys of Warhammer, and many others. In conclusion, remember to choose a faction that resonates with you. Some that you would like to paint, some you'd like to create, some you'd like to make cool. Make sure it's an enjoyable experience for you to build your Warhammer army. Don't choose Necrons. Your army should reflect your style and preferences for maximum enjoyment. Before we wrap up, I think we need to go over one more thing, which is why you should get into Warhammer. Warhammer is a great hobby for people who don't know what they want to do, but they like a bit of art, but if you're like me, can't draw. This is a really, well, not easy, but a really easy hobby to get into if you actually got money. It's quite expensive. Don't buy Citadel paints, they're a rip-off. Unless you're going to paint in the Warhammer shops. YouTube has some great tutorials. I'll make some in the future. But before we end this video, don't forget to share with us your faction that you plan to start in 2024. Or the faction that you've started but haven't finished. Join the discussion in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for more exciting Warhammer content. Let's conquer the battlefield together.